What's up everyone and welcome to another video. Before we start this video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. The new iPhone SE 2020 looks like when it goes on sale on April 24. It has all the makings of being one of the best phones for money. It should be just as good as the iPhone 11 and sufficiently lightweight to use with one hand. And the new iPhone SE provides some of the same advanced photography features, including portrait mode and other camera features as on Apple's pricier flagships. But you know that with a starting price of $399, you can make some trade-off. The problem is, can you live with such disadvantages? Here is a short rundown of the reasons for buying and skipping the iPhone SE while you are deciding whether to have it for yourself or not. Number 1. A13 BIONIC processor. So, Android phone makers bundle their budget handsets with budget CPUs. Apple's A13 BIONIC processor is powering the iPhone SE, which is the fastest chip you can get inside a phone. The iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max are powered by the same chip. The iPhone SE is up to 2.4 times faster than the original iPhone SE and up to 1.4 times faster than the iPhone 8. In terms of raw processor output, the graphics upgrade is even higher, with the current iPhone SE having 4 times the first iPhone SE's GPU output and double that of the iPhone 8, thanks to its 8-core neural engine. Number 2. Very capable cameras. So, the iPhone SE only has a single 12MP rear and 7MP front camera. They also benefit from the A13 BIONIC chip. The iPhone SE supports portrait mode with depth control and 6 portrait lighting effects, and the smart HDR helps to relight recognized subjects intelligently. The front camera also can take out portraits. Last but not least, when taking videos with the rear camera at 30fps, you get extended dynamic range. Sum everything up, and on a budget, the iPhone SE may be the best camera phone. Number 3. A premium design. Typically, buying a cheap phone means going for a poor-looking casing, but the iPhone SE offers a superb look and feel. It is made of glass and 7000 aluminium series, and the aluminium sides match back color. The iPhone SE is IP67 water resistant too, meaning it can be submerged for up to 30 minutes. Number 4. Touch ID. As safe as Face ID is, many people still prefer Touch ID's ease and speed. You can power the screen and unlock the iPhone SE with one touch, and use the SIM sensor for Apple Pay, entering passwords and more. Also, throughout the world, everyone is wearing masks to protect themselves from virus. So in this case, Face ID has trouble recognizing you, while Touch ID doesn't have that problem. Number 5. It's a compact phone. You just need to look around to see that phone screen sizes are getting bigger and bigger. For example, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra features a 6.9-inch screen, while even the smallest member of the S20 family touts a 6-inch display. The need for expensive smartphone screens is so strong that companies are now seeking to build foldable phones with displays that fold out into even larger panels. It's impossible for many people to use the device with only using one hand, as the screen sizes are too large. iPhone SE 2020 features 4.7-inch screen. Well, it's larger than the previous iPhone SE, but it's a really comfortable size for most of the pupils who don't like large devices. Number 6. It's a budget phone. Screen sizes are not the only problem about phones getting larger. Did you see flagship device prices these days? For a top-of-line handset, $999 now seems like the starting point, and people are usually shocked when a feature-packed handset comes in at less than that, like the $899 OnePlus 8 Pro. Apple is charging a starting price of $399 for the iPhone SE 2020, and while I'm going to pay up to double the capacity to 128GB, that's only $50 extra. Number 7. Wireless charging. Here is another functionality you are not usually going to find on under $400 phones. The iPhone SE supports up to 7.5-watt wireless charging, so you can easily put it on one of the best wireless chargers to get the smartphone juiced up. Any charger that supports the QI charge should work. Now, the drawbacks of iPhone SE. Number 1. The bezels are big. Don't get me wrong, I really like compact phones, but the bezels on the iPhone SE, which surround the 4.7-inch display, are quite large. From the front, it makes the style look like a little old. I would have liked to see Apple use the same design but expand the screen to 5 inches, even though it meant shifting Touch ID to the power button or under the display. Next time might be. Number 2. No night mode for the camera. You will probably want to use the flash on the iPhone SE when the lights go way down, and that's because on its camera, it doesn't give a night mode. This functionality is dedicated for iPhone 11 and 11 Pro series, which is capable of providing extremely good results in near darkness, but in this price range, Apple is providing us with many things. Number 3. No Plus version. The iPhone SE replaces the 4.7-inch iPhone 8 and the 5.5-inch iPhone 8 Plus in Apple's lineup, which is a disappointment as there are plenty of pupils who want a large phone that is more affordable. There is a rumor that Apple is working on an iPhone SE Plus, but we wouldn't expect the phone anytime soon. The iPhone SE 2020 looks like it could be the best phone under $400, with the design, performance and cameras all punching beyond its price. It also puts Android phone makers on alert in terms of offering good quality at the lowest cost possible. With even better cameras and a bigger displays, the upcoming Pixel 4a could give the iPhone SE a run for its money. But at least for now, the iPhone SE is a budget phone to beat. Thanks a lot for watching guys. My name is Hamza, this is Tech Fielder and I'll catch you in the next one.